My name's Lauren Bishop. I'm a former student of University of Cumbria. I studied my PGCE there. I now teach maths at Broughton High School, and I'm also head of year at Broughton High School as well. My journey into teaching was perhaps a little different to most. I studied economics at university, and then I actually got a job at one of the big four accounting firms. However, at the time I was also volunteering in a school as well, and found that actually I was enjoying my time volunteering more. That's what made the change for me, and that's when I started looking into the University of Cumbria and looking at the path into teaching. And it all changed very, very quickly. I applied to Cumbria, was met by a mentor, very supportive, taught me how to get into that career path, and then it took off from there really. Whilst I was training to be a teacher, the University of Cumbria made sure that they provided lots of different opportunities for us to visit different types of schools. There was a variety of different things we got to take part in, which ultimately meant we got to teach lots of different children from different backgrounds, and we always had the support of the group around us as well. I was very lucky that I always had very supportive mentors, and it's that led me, after a couple of years into my teaching, when I'd finished my UCT years, that I then applied for the professional mentor role myself and got that job, which I was really lucky to get quite early on in my career. And I think having the mentors that I had through university ultimately got me that job so early in my career, because I had those foundations. I understood how to be a good mentor. Obviously I chose maths. That mainly came from studying an economics-based degree. That is what really captured my interest in maths, the more applied side of it, a passion that hadn't been ignited in me whilst I was at school myself. Doing that at university and seeing sort of how the world works, and essentially the world revolves around maths. That's how the world runs. Really ignited my passion for that. I was very lucky that I was with very like-minded people at university as well, who had that strong drive, who had that passion to show children that actually there's a lot more to maths than they think there is, and it's the way it's applied to the world. I've been a teacher for 9 years now. Within that time I've changed roles from being an ECT to a professional mentor. I'm now a head of year, so I've moved up to that middle leadership role, and I'm now looking forward to applying for my senior leadership qualification, which I'm going to be doing the next couple of years, because I'm working in an ever-changing environment. You do not have the same day twice. I don't think I've ever taught a full day without laughing, without smiling. The children make this job and they make you love this job. And the passion that they show for your teaching, that never goes away. So it's a fantastic career to be in.